Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is a video for new traders, how to set up their Tradingview chart from day one to be able to easily read the market, easily enter the market, and easily make money within their first week of learning how to trade. So once you create your free Tradingview account, you want to go to candles, and it's right here. And you want to change it to hike and ashy. Now I have the dark theme. It's up to you if you like the light theme, and it's over here. So over here in the corner, you'll click that and you can change it to dark mode or you can change it to light mode. I prefer dark mode. Light mode kind of blinds my eyes. So I have dark mode. And so most of you will have the candles this color. You'll have these lines that just appeared on my chart because I made those changes. But I want to show you how to remove those lines as well to have a cleaner chart. So you're going to right click. You're going to hit settings. You're going to go in here and you're going to uncheck. Let's find them. I want to say it's the grid lines. Let's see. Yeah, so when on the grid lines, turn it to 0. And that will remove the grid lines. Now, if you want to keep the grid lines, that's completely up to you. And now we have another line has appeared on my chart that was not there. I like to keep the high and low price because you can also use the low price as a stop loss. You can use the high price as a potential exit target. But what I'm looking for now is to get this red line off my chart. I take the open, high, and close values off. You're more than welcome to leave them on. The open market status. I don't like a lot of lines on my chart. And I can't find that red line where it came from. So right now we'll go to symbol. And I like my green to be this color. You can pick yellow, blue. It don't matter. As long as you know your green or your blue means to buy. And as long as you know your red, you can change it to pink. As long as you know that your pink means to sell. So that's all this is. Green for buy, blue for sell. You'll pick your color that you prefer for buy, your color you prefer for sell. I take these last lines off because I don't like too many lines on my chart. And I think that's it. And then you want to save this template. And I already had a template chart, so I'll just type in clean chart here. And I'll save it. And that way, anytime if you open up a new chart and if all those lines reappear, you can always just go to settings and load up your clean chart. So now we have a clean chart. We have our hike and ashy candles added. Hike and ashy candles are trend-based candles. I'm a trend trader, so I use trend-based indicators. I'm not sure if the pre-market high, the pre-market information is set on the chart. But if it is, we're going to take it off. So you're going to go to RTH, and you have regular trading hours and extended trading hours. Put regular trading hours. And a little hack that I just found today. Where is it? Session breaks right here. So turn session breaks off so you know that it is a new day. And I'm going to save this again as clean charts. Every time you make a change to your chart, you want to resave it. So now when the market opens, I know that this is a brand new day and it corresponds with the date at the bottom. So now that we have our chart clean, we have our pre-market off. And the reason I used to keep pre-market on, but with the market conditions lately, pre-market has been a completely tricky trading session. So I've turned it off and I've completely blocked out that noise. You want to block out much noise as possible. So your second thing you want to do is we're going to go to indicators. And I don't like a lot of indicators, but when you're new, you're going to need them. So we're going to type in consolidation live. And it's called Consolidation Zones Live by Lonesome. And it has 4550 followers on that indicator. And so what you're going to do is look for consolidating periods and to anticipate a breakout to be able to enter a trade. The next indicator we're going to add is the moving average ribbon. Now, the moving average ribbon is going to potentially tell you, okay, we have volume coming in, we're going up. It's going to be green or it's going to be red. It's going to be thick or it's going to be thin. When it's green and it's thick, that means we're super bullish. When it's thin, you want to wait for a pullback to see which way the market is really going to go. So right now, you really could trade only with these two indicators. So market opens, we consolidate here. You never enter on consolidation, as we know that. And this is not a strategy video, but I'm just doing it for the new people who are setting up their indicators so they will know what it means. Consolidation means a period of indecision. So we're buying and selling, we're buying and selling. We need to wait for the consolidation period to be over to see, are we going to break down or are we going to break up? In this case, we kind of knew we were going to break up. Why? Because we have the moving average that's green, and this is the 50 period moving average. Most stocks respect the 50 moving average. So here's another consolidation period. So if we just had this on our chart, we consolidate, we break out, we go ahead and take our trade because we're anticipating green. Why? Because we see our volume coming in and we're holding support, and the consolidation period is almost over. So when we get here, we consolidate again. You don't want to get caught up in consolidation. So the best thing to do here will be go ahead and to take your profit. If you got in here and you got out here, you made at least 80, 90 bucks off one contract. So another indicator to help guide you to stay in your trade longer or to help you exit your trade, you're going to type in the simple moving average. And the simple moving average is by stocks and box. And it has 11,674 followers. And on this one, it's going to bring up probably about 10 indicators. Yes, 10. Uncheck them all but the first one. The first one, change it to 7. The top one, it was blue. I changed it to green for buy. The bottom one, I think, was gold. I changed it to red for sell or to buy put. You can also add the 13 and the 21 if you would like, completely up to you. That just gives you more support. But if you're like me, you just want to get in and out quick. You really don't care about the other indicators. And then you want to hit save as default. So if you ever remove the indicator, when you put it back on, it'll have your settings. And so this is the setup. Your chart now is clean. You have your dark mode if you prefer. You have 3 indicators. No, we have, yes, 3. We have our SMA. That's going to be our, basically it's going to act as our trailing stop. We're going to follow this line. As long as it's going up, we're going to buy a call position. When this line starts to go down, we will buy a put position. Although we're above this green line, we will anticipate this being our take profit at the 50 moving average here because it's green and because we are bullish. So I think that is all for setting up your chart as a beginner. If there are any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. If you're in my Discord, you can ask me in the Discord. If you're not in my Discord, just post your question below and I will reply as soon as possible. If there is anything else you would like to see regarding this strategy or any other strategy that I use to find cheap entries, just let me know. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next video.